All right, this is very new for me. This is by Korg. So the founder of all these systems had a birthday, and all the apps were for free. I'm not sure if they're still free. This is Korg's Model D. So we're going to check out some different instruments. So I'm going to, on the top here, I'm going to choose pads to see what options we have. And it's just fun to explore because typically kids and adults alike were quite intimidated by these knobs and buttons. And here, the cool thing is that even if you mess everything up, you can just close the app and start again. There's no fear to click on the wrong thing that, all the sound will disappear forever. So let's click on the pads and see what sounds we can explore. Okay, not my favorite, but let's check other ones. Amazing. All right, swirly pads. Okay, let's try something. Last one, Young Sunshine. Okay, I just love it. Let's go into the keys and see what kind of keys do we have. Auto-tune left, lead. Not bad. And we'll go for one last one, a G width. I love them all. Fantastic. Thank you so much for listening. Give it a try. So download it, play around, let your kids explore. I think exploration is so important to just get over this fear of pressing the wrong button that we often have together, collectively. Enjoy!